How to hide any files on your iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll teach you guys how you can hide any files on your iPhone. Now let's just get started. So you can just hide any files that are your photo files, your videos, your voice recordings, anything, your PDFs. Now you can do that by just importing them to your files folder. So make sure that you just import everything to here, and after you do so, just open it up. Now after you open it up, let me just change this audio clip. Now you can long press on it and tap on rename, and after you rename it, you can just rename it to whatever you want. Now make sure that you remember what voice message this is. Now let's say I'm just gonna name it song. Now what you need to do is tap on dot and change its extension. After you change its extension, your file will get changed to, now it's not it won't no longer be a audio clip. Now it might take some time to before it changes to a PDF, so just wait for it, and after you do so, your files won't be able to just play, and you've hidden that file. Now let's do that for our photos too. Just tap on rename and just give it an extension right here, and after you give it an extension, it might take some time to load, and after it does, your stones file is now a PDF and you can't load it. So that is how you hide any file on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching.